honestly just finished putting on my wheel bearing, and thank you to everyone who helped. I really appreciate it. They had their manpower trying to get that thing off of there. Usually at work I have this other tool that my boss had found that hooks up to the lug nuts, and then there's a thingy doer, and it screws on, and then you screw, and then it pushes and it pulls and things and like that, and that works really great for me. I don't know what it's called, and I don't even know what it's originally for, but it's definitely not for pulling off the wheel bearings. Usually it's either the bar that you saw in that video, or lap hammer, I think it's called. I'll put the actual name up somewhere so you can see what it's called, but that just also is just, you just keep going until it finally falls off, and that was a doozy. They were working on it for a while. I didn't even show the whole time because it took quite a bit. So thank you to the guys that came over and helped me out. So got that off, and then I go to leave the school, right? And I was like, what is that noise? And I thought it was the car behind me, and it was not. It was my car. The dust shield, I put it on backwards. What a rookie mistake. I was like, oh my god. Like, who does that? Me. Gonna come back tomorrow and fix that, and thankfully I've got access to a hoist in the school's facility, so it'll be much nicer than being on the floor, which, I mean, today I was actually under the vehicle trying to pry it off and then realized it was on backwards, and my teacher and one of my classmates was there with me, and I was like, man, how did I do that? Come on, man. But you know, you live and you learn. So I probably will never do that again, or I'll do it a couple more times and then I'll learn, you know? And that's usually how it goes though, unfortunately. Yeah, I had a good time. I don't want to do any tutorial videos because I don't feel like I know enough to be doing tutorials. There's plenty of channels out there that give proper procedures or new ways that they do it, and they've been doing it for a very long time, and I'm just going to show you guys how I've either been taught or how I'm learning to do it. So don't think that I know the only way to do it. There's many different ways to do everything in mechanics and just in everything in general. As you can see, YouTube's full of so many different stuff. So many different stuff. Yep, that's English. So many different things. So yeah, that's why I'm not going to really explain what I'm doing and kind of just show you what's going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, watching me get my hands dirty, literally, and thank you to everybody who helped again. I really appreciate it. It probably would have gone a little bit longer than expected if not as many people helped, so appreciate it. That's it for today's video. So go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for notifications when I post, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.